Do you want to learn how to design for injection molding? Then you're in the right place. Are you an inventor, a product designer, or a private individual, and you want to know more about injection molding? Then this beginner's course is for you. Why can I give you this course? Well, my name is Ben Nel. I'm a graduate mechanical engineer. I've been involved with injection molding since 1996. My company, BP Nel Consulting, offers an ongoing design for manufacturing service to the industry. We have completed more than 1,000 projects over the past 28 years. I have experience on the shop floor building injection molding tools. The course consists of 18 lectures, and you will receive a PDF checklist that you can keep with you whenever you design a new plastic component. After payment, you will get immediate access to all 18 lectures. You can learn at your own pace. What will be covered during this course? Let me give you a rundown on all 18 lectures. We're going to do an introduction to injection molding. We're going to cover wall thicknesses, ribs, bosses, internal structures, sink marks, parting lines, draft angles, undercuts, clips, shutoffs, small steel in the tooling, tolerances and shrinkages, surface finishes, material selection, design for sustainability. Then I'm going to run you through the basics for tool design, the basics for mold flow analysis. I'm also going to give you some tips and techniques on the assembly process. And then we're going to look at future trends in injection molding. And lecture 18, I'm going to discuss with you some CAD software and some other resources.